Oh, hi there. I'm just out here enjoying the wilderness, out in the nature. I pride myself on being a connoisseur of all things outdoors, and so today what I'd like to do is I want to show you how to enjoy nature better. Can you do that with me? Can you enjoy nature better? All right, I thought you could. Come on, I'm going to show you a few activities you can do to enjoy nature a little better, all right? Follow me. Sometimes I like to just walk through nature to feel one with the electro-astronomical forces that coagulate throughout the retroactive ionosphere of our everyday lives. After years of careful meditation, I'm able to handle anything that comes in my way. Doesn't even bother me. It's clean my head. And make sure when you're in nature to really take it in. Some pure dirt.